Have you ever wondered what makes your phone, laptop, or even your smart fridge actually works? It's not a magic, it's an operating system from Android to Windows. There are many different types of operating system. Hello everyone, my name is Krati Nima and today we are going to discuss about the types of operating system. There are various types of operating system like batch operating system, time sharing operating system, distributed operating system, real time operating system, network operating system, mobile operating system, single user, single tasking operating system, etc. But before understanding the types of operating system, let us quickly understand what actually operating system is. Operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. It manages hardware resources, provides a platform to run application and controls input and output memory. Now let us understand what batch operating system means. Batch operating system was one of the earliest type of OS. It means that similar jobs are grouped together and processed without user interaction. The jobs are prepared offline and are submitted to the computer operator. Once submitted, the system executes them one by one. Example of batch time operating system is IBM OS 360, an early mainframe batch used in 1960s. Some real-life examples are bank statement generation. Monthly statements are processed in batches. Utility bill processing, electricity water bills are calculated and printed in bulk. Examination result processing, universities process student result all at once using batch jobs. Now, let us see what time sharing operating system means. Time sharing operating system allows multiple users to access the system simultaneously by sharing the CPU time. It divides CPU time into small units called time slices and switches rapidly between users, giving the illusion that all users are working at the same time. Some popular time sharing operating system are Unix, Linux, Windows Server, and real life examples are online railway reservation system, the system that handles all user requests efficiently by time sharing, ATMs running on shared banking servers. I hope this is clear. Now let us discuss about the distributed operating system. Distributed operating system manages a group of independent computers and makes them appear to the users as a single unified system. These computers are connected via a network and share resources such as memory, processors, and data. Example of distributed operating system are cloud services like Microsoft, Google Cloud, then distributed databases. Some real life examples are Google search engine infrastructure. It uses thousands of servers working together as a distributed system to handle search queries from all over the world. Now let us look upon the next operating system, which is network operating system. It means that the operating system that is specifically designed to manage and support networking capabilities, enabling computers to communicate, share, file, and access devices like printer over a network. Example of a network operating system is Windows Server, Linux servers. Some important feature of this system are enables file sharing, printer access, and application sharing across a network, centralized management, central control of user account, and security. Those services, security and access control, remote access, users can log in and access network resources from different physical locations. Let's look upon our next type of operating system, which is real-time operating system. It is also denoted as RTOS. It is a specialized OS that guarantees predictability, timely task completion within strict deadlines. Critical for system where timing errors are is equals to failures. Airplane control system. Robotics, medical devices are the example of real-time operating system. The key features of this system are real-time scheduling, often uses priority-based preemptive scheduling to ensure high-priority tasks run efficiently. It is a multitasking operating system, efficiently manages multiple tasks without significant delays. You are probably watching this video on a phone. That means that you are using a mobile OS. Now let us look upon what does mobile operating system means. Android and iOS are the kings here. They are specifically designed to handle touch screens, camera sensors and mobile app. It is a type of OS designed specifically to power smartphones, tablets, smartwatches and other portable devices. It manages the hardware and provides a platform for mobile apps and user interaction. Look upon the key features of mobile OS. It manages the user interface, handle touch inputs, gestures, screen rotation and display, app execution and management, runs mobile application and manages background processes, connectivity, supports wireless communication, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular GPS. It provides high security sensors and hardware control interfaces with cameras. Now, moving on to the next operating system, which is multitasking operating system. Multitasking operating system is designed to allow one user to run multiple applications or tasks at the same time. This type of OS is common in modern personal computing environments like desktops, laptops, and smartphones. Key features of multitasking operating system are run several applications simultaneously. Example, if you want to watch a movie or if you want to listen song while making your presentation or completing your assignment, you can all do this at simultaneously, which is running apps in the background. Uses time sharing or content switching to give the illusion. Manages CPU, memory and input output devices to balance the between the data processes. Users friendly interface typically includes a graphical user interface. Now, let us talk about something powerful, the multiprocessing operating system. It simply means that more than one processor is used in the system. Imagine your computer has two or more brains working together. These processes can work on different tasks at the same time or sometimes even on the same task but in parts, which make the system faster, smarter, and much more efficient. Example of this is your modern computer or a desktop with a multi-core CPU like dual core or a quad core or octa core runs on a multiprocessing OS. Even servers and high-end workstation use it. Advantages of this OS are it provides a fast performance, multiple tasks can run simultaneously, great for multitasking and heavy application like video editing, gaming and programming. Disadvantages of this processor are more expensive hardware, complex to manage and program. So basically, a multiprocessing operating system is a team of superheroes, each handling a part of the job so things get done quicker and better. Discuss about something that is everywhere around us but we usually don't notice, embedded operating system. So what is it? Have you ever wondered what does embedded operating system means? It is a special type of OS that runs on the devices which are not general purpose computers. It's designed to do one specific task and to do it very well. Example, the OS inside your microwave that controls heating. the system in your washing machine or your smartphone digital camera or even a traffic light. These are very tiny computer with a dedicated purpose and they need an OS that is fast, reliable and uses very little memory. Advantage of this operating system is it is a quick and efficient system, small in size and uses less power, works in real time for specific tasks, but its disadvantages are can't be updated or modified easily, usually not suitable for multitasking. So, an embedded operating system is like a mini manager that focuses on just one job and it does it quietly in the background. Let's look on the one of the most common type of the operating system, which is the single user operating system. Just like the name says, this OS is designed for one user at a time. That means that only one person can interact with the computer at any moment, even if multiple apps are open. Example, Windows 10 or 11 on your personal laptop, Mac OS on MacBook, Android on your smartphones. Yes, you can open YouTube, Word, and Spotify together, but only one person is using the system. Advantage of this OS is simple to use, ideal for personal devices, doesn't require network sharing or multi-user controls. Disadvantages are not suitable for multiple users or big organizations, limited control and access sharing. So, in short, a single user OS is like a personal assistant that works only for one and not for anyone else at the same time. Or it's like having your own scooter, only one person rides it at a time, but you can go anywhere, stop anywhere, and use it however you want. Let's have a look on our last operating system, which is the multi-user operating system, what we discussed just the opposite of it. A multi-user operating system allows more than one person to use the computer at the same time or one after the another, all without affecting each other's work. Example, servers used in companies and in colleges, Linux mainframes used in banks and government offices. Each user gets their own login and the OS keeps their data, tasks, and settings separate. Advantage of this type of multi-user operating system is that many users can work on the one system. Resources like printers or files can be shared, saves cost for big organization. But on the other hand, the disadvantage of this system is needs high performance hardware, can be complex to manage. So basically, a multi-user operating system is like a library computer. Multiple users can log in, access files, and get their work done without messing up each other's data. Or think of it as a hostel kitchen. Many students can cook their own meal, but they share the same stove, fridge, and utensils. The system just manages how to use and what to use. And that's it for the today's video. Now you know the main types of operating system from single user to multiple user to embedded to real time and to those powerful multiprocessing systems running behind the screens. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, and stay curious. Thank you.